Josh, stop! Okay. I'm on mower. And Josh is going crazy right now. Ah! And make sure to like and subscribe to before he dies. I'm done. And look at that. Sorry guys about that. Yeah, let's teleport. And wait, we already teleported. What was it? And oh, we just teleported. And we teleported again. Oh my gosh, we're stuck. Oh. About to run into something. Whoa! What? Show them that. Look at that pipe. Look at that, guys. Guys, Josh is going crazy right now. Guys, we're gonna teleport. Bye. We teleported. Look at Josh, he's nicing up his hair. Why? There's something in my eye, man. Oh no. Something within his eye. I was like, ah. Oh. Josh, you're about to crack. There's something in your eye still. Josh! Oh yeah. Dang. Josh likes this. Okay. So we're having very fun. Guys, put it over there. Where? That way. This. That's a dirt mark. That was a dirt mark. Wow. Dang. Josh is going crazy. Ah! Guys, we're going to pathway. Okay, going here. Back here. Then we end up right here. And then we go straight. And then we're still at the house and the cabin. Isn't that cool? Oh, dang. Make sure to like and subscribe for his safety. Yep, for my safety. Ah, Josh, why are you going so weird? Like and subscribe. Yeah. Josh. Josh! Oh no, look at what Josh is doing. Oh, that was actually pretty good. Okay. If any of you guys live in Pennsylvania, if any of you guys live in Pennsylvania, you can, just look for me because I live in Pennsylvania, but right now I'm at Pennsylvania, New York. Do not try this at home at all, okay? Even if you're 6, like I am. And look at that! Josh! I'm putting it down! Limbo! So, look around for never go like Josh. He's too crazy. Josh, say like, subscribe to Shorts Maddie. Unsubscribe. What? Guys, do you think he's mean? I'm kidding. Subscribe, y'all. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, ooh, ah, ooh. Yeah, I will never make you cry. Okay. Oh yeah. Wait, like and subscribe to my brother too, right? Like, subscribe to my brother. His YouTube channel is Purple VR. Shut up! Like, subscribe to him. He has his name is Purple VR because he has a VR. You probably know that because of one of my videos. And he plays the Gorilla Tag a lot. That's why he makes Gorilla Tag content. And look. Isn't this fun? Wait, guys, do you think we should teleport? Yeah? Okay. Okay. See, we teleported. We are now stranded. Give me. Ow. Ow. Sorry, guys, about that. Oh, we're stuck. Me and Josh are like stuck. Never drive like Josh on a lawnmower. He's way too crazy. Oh, Josh almost just ran into something. That's why never ride like Josh. Ow. Ooh. Ready, Matt? Yep. Push it forward. What? Point the camera that way. Ah! Guys, we're not teleporting. And us. My brother's an idiot. What? I'm not an idiot. Guys, like and subscribe if I'm not an idiot, okay? One hand. Oh no, not one hand. Josh is using one hand right now. I'm just gonna take off those. Make my hair look nicer. My hair's nicer. Hey. Wait, Josh, go the opposite direction. Go the opposite direction and teleport. Okay. We are at. Oh, dang. Josh, where are you going? We're about to be in a dead end. Up the hill. Oh, dang. That was crazy. Look at that. There's a giant gas tank right there. Okay, this is our Uncle Tim's house. Isn't it cool? And Josh is just riding dirty, like he always is. Okay? And he's backing up and okay, guys. Comment down below Pennsylvania if you live in Pennsylvania. Yeah, how do you get on my lap? Oh no. Okay. We're about to go. Oh no. We're about to fly. Yeah. We're about to fly, okay? Oh, I'm getting down. I want to get down. No. Oh my God. Let me get down there. Okay. Josh, the goggles. Ah. Go. Josh left without me. Let me get on. Let me get on. Josh, let me get on. Okay, sir. Josh. The camera was backwards for that time. There's a giant spider right over there. Isn't it so nice? Isn't it so nice here? Yep. Oh, dang. Josh. You really are rotten dirty. Josh was about to run into a tree! Don't you dare! Don't you dare go backwards! Go, get on! What? No! Yeah! No! Why? Go! Josh, go! Not until you get on my lap! Wait a second! Let's go to subscribers! Go! Okay, I'm gonna get on his lap. I'm wearing my goggles so they don't fall and Josh just, like, ride. Oh, guys. Josh! Oh my God! Let me get down. Guys! Look at how crazy! If you think Josh is crazy, okay? Okay? If you ever want to do this, you have to, and if you ever want to do this, we're going to run into the plane! No! Josh! Oh my gosh. If you ever do this, tell your family if they're able to, well, tell your dad if you're able to do this. Okay, guys? Guys, we're going another pathway. Josh, go straight and then go back. Okay. We teleported back and we ended it and we're gonna teleport. I thought you just teleport onto my lap and take this? Yeah. No. I'm getting down. Ow. Josh, you didn't. You're scaring me and the subscribers. Nuh-uh. Bruh. Wait. Ah! You Sigma! 3! Oh no! 2! Ah! Mommy! Oh! Oh yeah! Okay. Micah. I have lights. Look, I have lights. Look, I have lights. Hey, if you see me and my brothers, if you ever see me and my brother doing these, where should we go? Left or right? Right. Oh no. What? This is not what? What do we do when we cross? Look first. Yep, we can go. Okay. Oh, dang. What should we do when we're crossing? Look first. Not look. Not look. Go. Whoa. Go that way. Yo. We just took down a tree. Yeah. Okay. So what's the video? We need to go to Kiki. Okay. Guys, we're gonna pause the video for a few, like 1 minute, okay? Okay, guys. We have to, this video is still gonna be, on YouTube, but we have to stop, making the video, okay? So, make sure to look at my videos. Bye, guys.